Hey there, fellow vapers, welcome back to the FREETON vaping world. Today we've got something super exciting for you, the Pod Refillable Kit. This pod kit is packed with features that surely impress and fully comply with new regulations. So let's step in and take a closer look at what makes the Pod Refillable Kit stand out from the rest. Let's start with the packaging. On the front, you'll notice the name Pod Refillable Kit along with key features highlighted, such as the 3 power modes, top fill design, TPD-compliant, MDLI technology. On the side, you'll find more details, including the 2+N system, dual mesh coils, and tail lock e-juice window. Of course, the usual safety warnings are also printed on the front and back, ensuring safe use. The box gives you a sneak peek on the device's sleek look, showcasing the futuristic design that's waiting inside. Now onto the fun part, the unboxing. When you open the box, everything is neatly organized and ready for you to explore. Inside, you'll find the Pod Refillable Kit, complete with a refillable pod, a refillable container, the battery, and a user manual to guide you through the easy setup process. Everything is packaged securely, so you know you are getting a quality product right out of the box. Setting up the Pod Refillable Kit is a breeze. First, remove the safety sticker from the pod, then simply push the container firmly into the pod until it clicks into place. After that, pull up the rubber plug to open the filling pod, and top fill with your favorite e-juice. Once filled, install the pod into the battery. Wait for about 5 minutes to let the e-juice saturate the coils, and you are ready to start vaping. No complicated setup, just quick and simple. Engineered with FREETON's 2+N framework, this TPD-compliant refillable device offers optimal 25ml refills, providing approximately 40,000 puffs for exceptional vaping satisfaction. The Pod Refillable Kit features futuristic elegance in every detail. The smooth, ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, while the combination of dark sleekness and shiny metal accents gives it a premium, high-tech look. What's more, the transparent pod allows you to easily monitor your e-juice levels and avoid dry heats. And the smart screen makes it easier to monitor power modes, battery status, and enjoy added safety with manual lock and uninstalled pod notifications. One of the standout features is its 3 power modes. With these modes, you can customize your vaping experience to match your style. Soft mode is ideal for smooth mellow puffs, perfect for a relaxed session. Turbo mode enhances flavor and performance, providing a balanced experience. If you want bold blast and maximum intensity, Boost mode offers a powerful and rich vapor heat. The precise airflow adjustment allows you to rotate the pod's installation direction to fine-tune vapor intensity. Whether you want MTL or DTL vaping, the Pod Refillable Kit lets you get it just right. Safety is always a priority, and this device has you covered. With the manual lock activation, simply press the set button 5 times to lock it in place. This feature ensures peace of mind when the device is not in use, making it family-friendly and secure. Pod Refillable Kit has 4 colors: lavender purple, champagne gold, gunmetal gray, pearly silver. As for the specifications, the Pod Refillable Kit pairs with dual mesh coils, powered by FREETON's MDLI technology. These coils are designed to optimize flavor and vapor efficiency. Moreover, the long-lasting 850 mAh rechargeable battery, providing all-day enjoyment. There you have it, folks. The Pod Refillable Kit offers everything you need. If you enjoyed this unboxing, make sure to hit that thumbs up, check the link below for more details, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting product reviews. Remember, enjoy freedom, enjoy FREETON.